Welcome to e-IMPAQc. e-IMPAQc stands for the Electronic Implementation of Patient and Caregiver Reported Outcomes across Cancer Centers in Quebec. This video will provide you with the information you need to start using e-IMPAQc. A cancer treatment can bring with it a number of different symptoms, but you are not alone. Your healthcare team is there to help you manage your cancer experience. e-IMPAQc can help by giving you tools to track your symptoms and communicate them to your healthcare team in real time. It will also provide you the information you need to help you manage those symptoms. These tools are available through the Opal app, an award-winning application developed at the McGill University Health Centre. In order to keep track of your symptoms, you will be asked to answer questions on your mobile device about your physical symptoms as well as emotional, social, and practical concerns. After your appointment with your oncologist, someone from the e-IMPAQc team will contact you to explain the participation process. In this video, we'll show you how to use e-IMPAQc in 5 steps. Register for Opal on the website, download and explore the Opal app, keep track of your appointments, answer the e-IMPAQc questionnaires, and receive information about your answers. Step 1. Registering for the Opal app on the website. You will be sent a text message with a registration code and a link to the Opal user registration site. You can use any device to complete the registration process. Enter your RAMQ number and registration code to begin. Create your Opal account by providing an email, choosing a password, and selecting 3 security questions. Click on the type of information you would like to see on the app, then review and accept the Terms of Use agreement. Your registration is now complete. You will be given 2 different links that you can use to download the app. Step 2. Downloading and exploring the Opal app. You can also download the Opal app by searching for Opal on the App Store or on Google Play on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded Opal onto your device, you will need to sign in. Click on Sign In, then type in the email and password you entered during registration. If you select Set this device as a trusted device, the next time you log into Opal, your email will already be there and you will only have to enter your password. And lastly, you will answer one of your selected security questions. After signing in, you will be taken to the Opal homepage. From the homepage, you can see the notifications, appointments, and educational materials associated with e-IMPAQc. You can return to the homepage anytime by tapping on Home at the bottom of the screen. When a new message, educational material, or questionnaire is sent to your account, you will receive a notification on your device. You can view them by tapping on Notifications on the home page. If you have not opened your notifications yet, you will see the number that you have not viewed in the red icon. In the example shown here, there are 3 unread notifications. When you click on Notifications, the ones you have not opened yet will be in bold. Step 3. Keeping track of your appointments. You will receive a notification when you have an upcoming appointment. When you open this notification, you will see a calendar of all your scheduled appointments at the cancer clinic. Tap on the appointment for details, then click on About this appointment for more information. If you have appointments in other departments, note that they won't appear in this calendar. Step 4. Answering the e-IMPAQc questionnaires. On the day of your scheduled appointments, you will see a new notification to fill out questionnaires to help you track your symptoms. New questionnaires will be in bold in the notification list. Open these notifications, then tap on each questionnaire to complete it. You can also see your questionnaires anytime by tapping on My Chart at the bottom of the screen. You will be asked to answer the same questionnaires several times during your treatment. It is important that you complete them each time, even if it seems like nothing has changed since the last appointment. They help your healthcare team keep track of your symptoms over time. Each questionnaire should only take a few minutes to fill in. Swipe left to move on to the next page, and if you accidentally skip a question, it will be shown in red in the end. You can click on this or any other question to go back and change your answers. Once all questions are entered, click on Submit Answers, then on Submit to make sure your answers are seen by your healthcare team. Please complete all questionnaires before your appointment, as they may not be reviewed by your oncologist after the appointment. Step 5. Receiving information about your answers. After completing a questionnaire, you will receive a notification with more information about the symptoms you reported. Tap on the new message in the notification list for more information about your symptom, along with some links to educational materials on how to manage them. You can also view the educational material anytime by tapping on Education at the bottom of the screen. Type in the symptom you want in the search bar, click on the booklet, then click on any question to see more information about the symptom. After completing your questionnaires, you will also receive a notification with a report summarizing all your answers since the beginning of your treatment, allowing you to see how your symptoms have changed over time. You can use this report at your appointment with your healthcare team to discuss the symptoms bothering you the most. Communicating what's important to you will help your healthcare team decide on the best treatment for your symptoms. By tracking your symptoms, communicating them to your healthcare team, and managing your symptoms with eIMPAQc, you can play an active role in enhancing your quality of life. For more information on eIMPAQc's user-friendly tools, visit our website at www.eimpac.com.